How to download and install Netflix on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download and install Netflix on your Windows. Now, first step, head over to your Start menu and on the top you can find the search option. Now click on it and search for Store. Now you'll find the store of your device right here. Click on Microsoft Store and your store should open up. Now this might take some time, and once it loads up, search for Netflix by tapping on the search icon that you can find on the top of your screen. You can see the Netflix app right here. Now click on it. And here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the description of the app, its rating and reviews, and the system requirements. Now you can see here this product should work on the device. Items with a checkmark meet the developer's system requirements. Now you can see additional information here. Now to download and install this on your Windows, simply click on the Get option that you can find on your screen. Now once you do this, Netflix should start downloading. It might take some time, and once it gets downloaded, it will get installed on its own. You can see it's installing, and now once it gets installed, you can simply open Netflix by tapping on the Open option here. So this way you can download and install Netflix on your Windows. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.